Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, this. I don't even have my mic ready. All right, here we go. Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is so good to be here today. It's Monday. It's April 6th. We're back from spring break, back in action, ready to go. We got a little bit longer school day today. This is going to be awesome. Hey, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Check this out. This week during morning assembly, we're going to talk about a few different habits of success, a little bit of review to kind of jumpstart us, get us back in the school mode and ready to finish the year really strong. So this morning, we're going to talk about the habit of success called agency. So here's what I want you to do. In just a second, I want you to pause the video and see if you can remember what agency means, okay? Not like the agency, not like the CIA. It's not like a spy movie right now. Not that kind of agency, but what does agency mean? Okay, go ahead and pause the video. I'll give you like a little countdown, and when my hands are down, I'll start talking again. Okay, I hope somebody in your class was able to remember what agency means. The really short, quick definition of agency is just like doing something. It's the action step. So we have all these planning, goal-setting ideas. We've got different ideas about how to regulate yourself. But anytime that you take those plans and your ideas or your strategies and you actually do them and you take action, that is showing agency. Let me read you a couple things about showing agency. So it's making your own decisions and acting on them. It's kind of like the virtue, self-discipline, right? Nobody else is telling you to follow the rules. You are following the rules. Nobody else is telling you to do your work. You are setting goals, and then you're actually doing your work. Here's another part of agency that's huge. You might need this one today. You need to recognize when you need help, and then you need to go get that help. All right? Let me say that again. You are the one that understands when you need help, and then you go get that help. All right. There's somebody in your room that's amazing at showing agency. I know that your teachers have spent time planning and getting ready for today, and they have things they want you to do, and they're going to need you to show agency. I can barely talk this morning. To show agency and get busy. And this is the get up, it's time to go to school, spring break is over. But you already got here, and now your teacher is going to tell you, what do you need to do today? What action steps do you need to take? Have a great day, Achieve. I can't wait to see you all outside. Bye.